More than 30% of the world's energy is produced from thermal coal. In turn, coal contributes to more than 40% of the world's electricity generation. Today, Indonesia is the world's largest exporter of thermal coal, distributing more than 320 million tons of coal annually around the world. As one of the main coal-producing regions in Indonesia, East Kalimantan accounts for almost 50% of Indonesia's production. PT Admitra Baratama Nusantara, or better known as ABN, is located in Sanga-Sanga, a sub-district of Kutai Kartanagara Regency, East Kalimantan. ABN is a fast-growing thermal coal producer with an open pit, truck and shovel operation. With a very strategic geographical location and a strip ratio that is in line with the industry average, ABN is considered an efficient and competitive producer of sub-bituminous and bituminous thermal coal internationally. Established in 2004, ABN is a subsidiary of PT Toba Bara Sejahterah Tbk, a company listed in the Jakarta Stock Exchange since July 2012. First starting production at the end of 2008, ABN has been growing rapidly to reach 4.4 million tons annual capacity within 4 years of production. With more than 100 million tons of mineable reserves, fully compensated working area and established infrastructure with an annual capacity of 10 million tons, ABN is well positioned for further expansion going forward. ABN's mining activities are outsourced to a combination of established local and foreign contractors to manage performance risk. To ensure consistency of quality, a series of control measures are implemented throughout the supply chain. Just after the coal seams are exposed, channel samplings are performed for quality verification before mining even begins. Once the quality has been verified, the coal is extracted with a clean and precise mining method to minimize parting and contamination. Next, the coal is transported by trucks to the run-of-mine stockpile. At the stockpile, the coal is separately stored based on their quality groups and once again tested for quality assurance. The coal is then crushed to below 5 millimeters in diameter and channeled with a stacker conveyor to its dedicated quality piles. During a shipment, the hoppers located below each quality piles will open, drawing the coal into an underground conveyor below it. The coal will then be transported to the port using an overland conveyor for 5 kilometers. The conveyor is equipped with a metal separator to prevent any metal contamination. The coal will also be sprayed with surfactants to suppress dust and to prevent spontaneous combustion. Before being loaded onto the barge, the coal will again be tested for quality with a mechanical sampler to ensure the testing accuracy. From the port, the coal is transported with a 300-foot barge with an 8,000-ton capacity to the Samarinda anchorage. From the barges, the coal is loaded onto the mother vessel using a floating loading facility which is capable of loading Cape-size vessels with up to 150,000-ton intake. ABN's main products are subbituminous and bituminous thermal coal, or better known as ABN 52 and ABN 58 respectively. As its byproduct, ABN also currently produces ABN 56 regular sulfur and ABN 56 high sulfur. Today, ABN's coal is extensively used by power utilities and general industries around the world. The primary markets include Taiwan, Korea, China, India and Malaysia, as well as other markets as far as Hawaii and Italy. As its business grows, ABN is quickly becoming an integral part of its community by continuing to provide significant contributions to its community members through various CSR programs. With a strong commitment to sustainable mining, ABN strictly adheres to all of its environmental obligations. ABN has been awarded with Green Mining Certificate for excellent environmental practices and mining management by the Governor of East Kalimantan for 2 consecutive years. Compliance with regulations, transparency and accountability are all key values which are embedded in all of ABN's operations and corporate strategy.